This is a Kidde smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector, and that is where it needs to go. It comes with the manual, the base, the main smoke detector, and a couple of batteries. This is the hardwired version, but it does come with a couple of batteries that act as a backup.
Push test button.
Oh yeah, did I mention that it had a voice?
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Is that cool or what? It talks to you. This is actually really easy. Just plug it in the back here, clips in, put the wires back in the box, and
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
I love that. And now we have a new carbon monoxide and smoke alarm.